I wish we understand that. But, it's just a finalized part on price action. Hey, God. Because it just dey make me to know say, when you are so sure, I don't somehow make a size from here. Say, this one, he go buy. That kind of knowledge, just dey sure. Say, he go buy. Yes, you reach here on stop or reach here. Because you can't predict when market will, for sometimes for the retest. But the test can be so funny at times. The test can be so short, can be so long, and you can't really, sometimes it's funny, but the trend of the market is certain. Now, market has changed, though. We are against the trend right now. We are against the trend. There's nothing at all me. Except it breaks the major. Then we can say it's fully that we are not fully in the sell market. But we are not really fully against it because of what this major trend line here. But the buy will definitely come stop here or come back stop here. Definitely do. But this point is something that what the sell will continue. If you can break this major, you have to stop here. You're not born away. You stop around here. Let me draw a new cycle level. By now, I should have no cycle level. By now, I should have no cycle level. Let me draw a new cycle level. This is that's 0, 0. So we should come to this new cycle level. We can break this one, and it's coming here. Stop here. So that was why we lost that trade. So now I also confident. I see why we lost that shit, and then I knew, man, it's crazy. There's nothing to worry about, man. So this point, man. So I knew we are in the right move. This see injection. This one is still coming there. It's coming to around here, or possibly here. Or at most, I'm expecting to come here. You come here, guys, you go long down, you go short over there. You go short like mad, man. It's gonna be a crazy one. Sorry, a minute, guys.
Okay, sir.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So I
Yes,
was
sir.
so sure about this. I was so sure. Sorry about that, guys. So that is it, guys. I wish you understand. Let me explain again. This is double top. This is support on resistance. First touch, second touch. But the third touch failed to go. I mean, this was must have been news in a breakout. That breaking out for these two touches, it means what? It means a cell structure. It means a cell structure.
Yes, sir.
That breaking out means it, and it was stopped around the next cycle level. Then it stopped here. Now, we now going to enter by here. It will be wrong. God. So that is what. So I want you guys to really understand. That was why. That was why. It's just so simple for me. It's just so simple. So it means just direct. It's just simple, I just pick it out and I know, oh wow, this was it. When something has become your friend, you just find it so easy. But some people, to you guys, it might be still be so confusing and then complicated. I understand. As time goes on, as I said, you should try to marry a chart. For now, leave your girlfriend, please. And if you have wife, leave your wife for now. Let this one be your wife. Marry this one, I beg. For the meantime, Biko. For the meantime, let's marry. For the meantime, please. Let's marry. Leave your wife, I beg. Leave him for a while. Leave her, I beg. No worry. I still your wife. You know they go anywhere. You don't marry him. You don't pay in bypass. They go. They come out. They go anywhere. And I see your wife, but leave him for a while. Let's marry these guys.
Well,
Say what?
no, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I thought you said something. It's
I
still
can, I
wife.
can,
You're
can
paying the bypass. And you're tiny. For life, only now you're tiny. So, so let's leave her for a while. Let's marry this. Let's see the results within 2 to 3 guys. So that was why we lost this only trade and we won the race. So this week should be so crazy because we already know the trend of the market already. If it come back here, it will take away this one. The worst thing you can do is to respect the major trend line. If you respect it, yeah, we need to see some changes that will buy it short, maybe buy will be a short one to see if it will also respect this one here. If the buy came so short, if buy came short here, let me draw it for you so you can see what I'm looking at for this week. This buy will continue to come like this. Probably it's done too much. Yeah, somehow here, it's here. When it's here, then it will come. This major trend might want to reject it. If you reject it, then to come back to this point, then what? This point sell will be mount. If you can reject it here and it beats more, it's usually rejected. I want to show. Reject it here. Either it goes to this point or still expect this small one. If you expect this small one, then to break. Not forget as what breaking another one here too, which shows what further downward market. That's breaking another. What is this, Mr. Wale? Mr. Wale, what is this, sir? Are you there, Mr. Wale? Are you there?
Yeah, what's that?
What is this? Are you with us at all? Are you with us?
I'm not feeling better. I'm just trying to be here.
Okay.
I'm not too organized at the moment.
What is this?
That's a low now. Okay.
Yeah, that is a low. And if this thing takes away this low, it's called what?
Lower low now.
That's a thing, which shows what a further downward market. Good. I'm looking at that first. You have to be very flexible with the market. I'm not looking at one thing. I just want to make money. I'm not so focused on. There are such people that they will so straight about one move. If it does here, it does that. I want to. No, I'm flexible. Let me cancel this one for you and see the possible move you can do, so that I will show you. If you have a makeup class within a week, I will show you what it does. Because market is funny. You can do different things. Market is so funny. I don't make my this thing so straight to one move or anything. No, market is funny. You can do so and don't do. You can do different stuffs. That is a one thing, one way the market can do. Let me show you another way it will happen again. Let me show you another way again. So let's assume one is certain.
Yeah,
It might come to this point. They do another double top here. Then can you see? Can you see, guys? Can you see? So I'm open to it. I'm open to anything. You don't have to be rigid. It's not. Just say do just fly in the shot. Say come here, come back here. Oh, they play. They play, my brother. They play. It's not done. I'm flexible. Anything that happens, I'm ready to tackle. I'm ready to go with it. So this buy might even be short and come back to this point. It might even come here safe. Come to this point. When you come to this point, respect this point. There is a low here. There is another low here that turns resist that also support here. And respect it as well. Then come back. Get our 29 and then do a small week on this point. Then go and break this a new again. Break this new 29 here and begin to do a buy again. The market is crazy because of what this major support here. That's what means the market is what is still expecting this what major support. So you can do anything. Let me show you another third way you can do again. So you now look at it, you now tell go stock more. So check out these three ways. You see the market is usually do one thing after it. So I give assignment, guys. These three stuff I've just do now. The first one, second one, third one. So notice, take note of it. This is the third one that market could do. Now let me show you. Third one I could do actually. Come back to this point. Come back to this point. Respect this point. Then push. Go take it away. That's the third thing. Three things market can do. Three things is possible, is feasible. You can do three things. So now, like guys, I want you to write those stuff down, please. The first one, can you remember the first one? Second one and third one, write it down. Just draw the pattern, write it down. With this current one you are seeing, write it down.
Can you come again, sir?
I want you to write this stuff down. First of all, draw this one first,
Okay.
this pattern. And later you can use it to look at it over the week, what it does. It's what you do. It's what you do. This one, the second one, I will draw it now. The third one, I will draw it for you. One of the three will surely, that is the best. That is what to do. When you already know what's market outcome, you already know what is up. So I'm what? I'm fixed. I'm open to anything it does. That's one of the best ways to approach the market. You don't stick to one thing. Because if you stick to one thing, you'll be expecting to do one thing for you. And you might want to take that one thing or a thing decision. And it will hurt you. You're not the market maker here. Your $100 don't make any fucking shit. In fact, your $10,000 don't make any fucking shit. In fact, your $1 million, to be surprising to be enough, doesn't make any fucking shit. Am I talking, guys? So that may even sound crazy. Really? Yes, sir. Your $1 million doesn't move the market, doesn't make the market. You have banks of nations inject billions of dollars into market and move the market. How much more is your token? So that is it, guys. So I don't still myself being rigid in the market. I'm open, I'm being flexible, anything that happens. Just looking at the outcome. So are we done drawing this shape?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the first thing that could happen. Let me show you another thing that could happen. So we now see that we now see that coach talk about, and it happens. Either of those three will definitely happen. It will definitely. That is the thing that can. That's the best thing that can occur so far for this week. Now, the first one was this. I do what? Come here, come back here. We test at this edge again to make this point a third time. 1, 2, 3, third, then what? Break. Bam. Yeah, draw it. Draw down to. That's the third thing that can happen. That is the second one that can happen. Second one that can happen on what? EURUSD for this week. It's 10/24 August, June what? What's the first date? June 16. Yeah, this is the worst thing that can happen. Second one that can happen today. Are we doing that?
Yes, sir.
You are flexible in the market. When you are expecting, when you are not rigid, expecting anything to happen, you will make money. I don't understand why some people will draw the line, expecting this. I know they draw line, expecting you should do this. Then if it doesn't do that income, you will not be confused. Hey, I'm open. Anything that happen, and I mean, my own to make money. Let me drink water. Sorry, guys. Am I talking, guys? Talking, guys. So mine is what is to make money. I'm open to anything that points out in the market. Are we done with that?
Is that the third move also?
Second one,
Yes, sir. Second.
So I'm open, man. I'm open. Are we done? Are we done with that?
Yes, sir.
Entirely. Have you also?
Yes.
You have done that, right? So let me show you the third one.
Yes, I've done it.
Awesome. Let me show you the possibility of the third. You will see that either of the three will happen within the week. Just study it from Monday to Thursday or Friday. You will see that this is where I do will happen. Definitely happen. There's no way. That's the three things that can happen in the market. At least, and I'm ready to make it. In any ways it does, I'm ready to make it. Card. Carver. So the other way that can happen is this. Okay, I've done one. The other way that can happen is this. Yeah. Then came here. That's why I thought myself. And they come. First one is come here, break 1, come here, break 2, come here. Okay. And I draw the third one you follow. I even know I did remember. I guess it. How do I do this first one? It's come here, then break 1, come here, we test on this point, then break 2. Okay, the third one too was sell. Okay, another sell. Okay, come here. Okay, the third one is either it should surely be test on this major one because this is a major. This is a major twin line. There's no way the market will come and it will test on this major. There's no way to go back here, come to this point. It will not surely will test. Surely will test on this major. I forgot the third one. I don't know. What's the third one? So let's look into those tools that we have drawn already. The third one, I don't forget. I do it the other time. I don't know. Come back here. Come here. I don't know. Okay, it could either be. There's no way you can come back here and not test on this major trend line. It's not possible. And today is small with test here. To break it out. There's no way because it's a strong word. It's a strong major support. It's a strong trend line. So there's no way you could just need to accept the news and break it once. That is to say you can come here and break it once. Let me draw that. That is for news. Okay, there's news. Come here, just break it once. Okay, yeah, let's draw this one too. That is for news sake. Let's draw this one. That is for what news sake. That is just for can break this trend line just like that. That is for news sake. This is the third one. Are we done, sir? Are we done, guys? Are we done? Hello, are we done? Are you done, guys? Hello, can you hear me?
I've drawn it. I've drawn my own. I've drawn it.
Mr. Aini,
Yes, sir. Yes,
are
sir.
you done, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So that is the 3 things I want you guys to keep and then look out for that could possibly happen in the market. Now let's continue what we do to yesterday. This is another pair. Let's continue. This pair, another pair. This is another pair now. But yeah, let's do a roundup of what we did yesterday to know So we can know that at least we get something today. Mr. Wale, what is this, sir? Mr. Wale, what is this, sir?
Hello, what's it?
What's this? What's this? I'm with you, sir. What's this? Talk now. Are you sleeping? What's this?
I can't see my.
What's this? This is my kusa. What's this? Kai, are you there? Are you there? What is this? It's, I think it's network. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
I mean, Mr. Wale. Can you hear me? Mr. Wale, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? I don't know. Probably it's network. I think it's out. It's network. What's this, sir, Mr. Yeni? What's this?
That's a low, sir. A low.
Hello. Why is it low? Why do you call it
Yes,
low?
sir. Because compared to the previous one, it's lower. We can call it a high if that's where you want to start it from, sir.
Let me start from here. What's this?
That's an high.
What's this?
A lower.
What's this?
That's a low, lower low.
How do you call it the value? Why do you call it value? Why is it value?
Because it's higher than it's lower than the
That what?
previous high.
What is the previous side?
It's lower than
What's the previous side?
the one you touched first, sir.
Which one?
The one on top.
Which one? This one?
No.
This one?
On the week, yeah. Exactly.
This one? Come on,
Yes, sir.
there's no comparison here. I want to tell something. There's no comparison here. It's just a low. There's nothing like lower low. There's no comparison here. And precisely, in fact, it's not even just a low self. This is the high, the latest high we had. It's a lower high self. If by coming to this structure, this is high. Then
Yes,
it's
sir.
lower
Yes,
high.
sir.
I couldn't see the screen.
You're not seeing the screen. Can you see my screen now?
I couldn't see the screen. I just seen now.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, sir. This is just even a lower high self. By comparing this one.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
It's not lower low. Not like lower low there. So you have to really be vigilant and then know what you're saying, It's not just by the formula of downward market, formula of upper market as a result. No, look at the market and know what you're talking about. What about this, sir? Mr. Wale, what's this? What's that, Mr. Wale? If you don't answer fast, you get me tired easily. I want you to be answering like this.
Oh, I can't see your photo. Where's your photo?
What's this?
You say I'm tired. That's why I'm responding that way. I have a journey to move tomorrow. That's why I'm just trying to rest. So, that's.
What's this?
I can't see your cursor. That's
This one. This one. What's this? Are you there? Try. Yes, it's out. Network is really fluctuating. Mr. ID, what's this?
Which one, sir?
This one, sir.
That's and high.
By comparison to this one is what?
By comparison to that, that should be what do I say? Lower high.
Well, what's the intuition for that?
It's still an high, but not high enough to even equal or to be more than the previous high.
Which means that what?
It's still an high, but it's not high enough to equal or
Yes.
to take over.
Yes, which conclude as what? Which results into what conclusion?
Which is result that the markets sellers are now more in the markets.
That is it. Which is very possible that sellers are coming to the market. That's it. So if you have a lower high here, then we have what is this? Then the next one confirms that for us. What's this?
That's the low.
Look at it to that. The low, that what?
That's the lower low.
Why is the lower low, sir?
Because it's lower than the previous low.
Also, well, and this. So this one confirms that what indeed the market is taken over by seller, and then we can see the shape M pattern. Do we so?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's it. So the lower extent indeed what? What's this? This no, what's this?
Lower high.
What's this?
Lower low.
What's this?
That's higher high.
That's what?
Higher high.
Higher high. Is that all?
Like it's trying to break the structure.
This first action, we go do am higher. Do you guys understand? You say
This one is
that you be confused at this time. That stuff where it's happening, I don't see him. You be confused. I go do am so till you understand. This is what higher high, you're right. And what?
And where, sir? Where, sir? Where are you touching?
This same point, this same place, same. I will just hide now. The same place.
That's higher high.
Yes, and what? You are not right with that statement. You are right. It's just an half mark. If I'm to score you by 10, I'll give you 5. What about the S of the 5? Why is it? You have to look for it. Let me help you. So I knew this stuff. You guys have to still go back and begin to do your assignment, do your work. See, we came back here, we do it a lower low. We did a small, if you come back to lower time, you'll see very well. We did a small higher high here. We did the what? Lower low here. We did the what? Lower, higher low here. Lower low. Higher high. Higher than this, our low here. But what? Lower to the overall. That is from here. That's it. You have to be seeing them. You have to be seeing it. We have to know what you have done. That is to say that the overall is still what? Value per sale. If you call this only higher high, then you'll be taken to buy car. See the overall is still what? The lower to our overall, yeah. That is to say that it's still valid. This our M pattern that started from here. It's still, this one is still lower to it. It's still valid for sale. I have to see this market. I will still sell from here. I will still sell it. But if you interpret as higher high, you want to buy car. As I say, you guys have to understand this thing. You just have to. Don't be beans. Price action is about behavior of the market. It's about tug of war that is happening. Don't be beans. Don't be beans. It's about behavior of the market. Behavior of the buyers and sellers. Tug of war that is happening. War can be anything. You go pursue this one. You go pursue this one. You pursue. It's a tug of war. It's a tug of war. I can remember the civil war that they said they happened that time. This Biafrans pursue Nigerian soldiers. Which orange? They almost took over from the Nigerian soldiers. Guam was already planning to JPY. He was in Lagos that time. That time was in Lagos. He was in Lagos planning to JPY. Hey, don't overtake us. Because once you pass Ore, you don't enter West. Once you enter Ore, it's more or less like middle of West. Now, you don't pass Edo. You don't enter West. You enter West. You don't from Ore. You go enter. You go enter West. You know, Lagos no far again. Less than 3 hours. You go enter Lagos. And then when they enter Lagos, they're going to the headquarters to go and kill you. You want to JPY already. You begin to JPY. So from there to Nigeria again, took it back again and send them back again to Anambra, to Delta. They pursue them. So that is war. That is war for you. Go, you come back. Go, that is it. So we go on, go retreat. They go right. Then you start again. From the time to start again, you go set an ambush. Bam, ambush them again, then they go lost again, then they go on back again, them they go on back again, go and reinforce. That's how it works. It's war up in the market between buyers and sellers. You have to be able to see the overall that's going on. Not just the chart is going on, guy. You have to know. Until you understand this thing, this is what will give us some you money. That's for sure. He's our coach. You don't even use many stuff, but yeah, because of passage I understand and you just know. I don't even they see many things for your this thing. Yeah, because I know pass action. And I combine with some other things. That is it. I don't have to be doing draw. I see many indicators. The blue, red, the yellow, causing each other. What the fuck? Trying to do some indicators here. MACD. So trying to go up. Like, what the fuck? I don't need those shit. I have done it in the past. I've used them in the past. I've engaged them in the past. I don't need those shit. Let me be pure price action. Let me analyze the market and look at what is going on. Study the behavior of the market and look at what is going on. Let's start again, guys. Let's start again. I think Mr. Wale has dropped. Let's start again. What is this?
Yes, sir. That's an high.
What is this?
Low.
And what?
A low.
And what? Look at your by time. Beside you,
what is it, sir?
It could be combining beside you. What you call it?
It's a lower low.
How would you call that lower low? Why? It's a lower low.
It's a low. It's a low.
Yes, and what?
A candle hammer.
And what? That's not hammer actually. That's doji. I thought we haven't dealt with candlestick. We'll get there.
Okay, I can see it now. Yeah, it's because I'm looking at it on the phone. It's so small.
That's doji. And what is this?
It's a low, sir.
And what? See now, we have a recent high here, sir. Then it came back to what? To do a higher low. If you look at beside it, you must always look at beside. What has happened? It's not a lower low. It is high as it's coming from here and come back to do a low. That's what higher low. That's all. That's what I'm expecting from you. That's all. You are saying not every downward market lower low, every small. No, you must be seeing it. What is there? Can you see a lower low there? What is there? Can you see? Just call it a lower low for me. That's why I always ask them, why do you say so? What can you see? You're practical here. You're very practical here. Have to tell us what you're
Yes, sir.
saying. So it's what an higher low. And the higher low failed to what to do a equal low here or higher high here. Then they do what a lower high, which shows what a weakness in the I've been telling yourself. So what's this?
That's a low.
Yes, and what? This one. I'm talking about this one.
Which one, sir?
This one, sir.
That's a low.
Okay.
Lower high.
Why is it lower high?
Because it's higher than the previous low.
Higher what?
Higher than the previous low.
Which previous low?
The higher low. Previous than the higher low.
What is the higher low? This one.
Yes, sir.
How will you call this one higher low? How will you call this one? This one
Let me come again, sir. Let me come
okay.
again, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Let's start from let's start from the start.
Okay. Yeah.
That's an high.
Okay. This is what?
Higher low.
Okay. Why is it higher low?
Because the high is lower than the previous high.
The I is what? Okay, this I is
Lower than the previous
I,
high.
which is this one.
Yeah.
Instant turn support. Okay, good. Then what is this?
Lower high.
Why is it lower high?
Because it's lower than the previous high.
So good. Okay. What's this?
Lower low.
Why is it lower low?
It's lower than the previous low.
What's this?
Lower high.
Why is it lower high?
It's higher than the one we just talked about just now.
Okay. What is this?
Lower low.
What's this?
Higher high.
Is that all?
Higher high, but it's still lower to the previous high. So it's still a downtrend.
Okay. So what you should always look out for the market. Perfect. What's this?
Lower low.
What's this?